In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find followed stores in Temu 2026. Let's get started by opening Temu. You can use the website in your browser or the official mobile app, either works for this. Make sure you're signed into the account where you've been following stores. If you're not signed in, you won't see your personalized sections, so take a moment to log in first. Once you're on the homepage, pause for a second to get oriented. On the desktop site, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where your account controls live. On mobile, your account controls are typically along the bottom navigation bar. You're looking for your profile area, the spot that shows your avatar, or a label like You, Account, or Profile. Go ahead and open your profile. After your profile page loads, focus on the navigation panel. On desktop, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. This panel organizes all your account sections in one place, so you don't have to dig through multiple pages. In that panel, look for the option labeled Followed Stores. It may sit near other favorites or collections, but the wording Followed Stores is what you want. Click it to continue. You'll now land on the dedicated Followed Stores page. This is where Temu gathers every store you've chosen to follow, so you can get back to them quickly without searching. Give the page a second to load if your internet is slow or if you follow a lot of shops. From here, you can scroll through the list, tap any store to open its storefront and check new arrivals, deals, and updates. If you decide you no longer want to track a shop, look for an unfollow option on the store card or on the store's page. That way, your list stays relevant and easy to manage. If the page looks empty, that simply means you haven't followed any stores yet on this account. You can always return here after you start following shops you like. Also, if you don't immediately see followed stores, refresh the page once or expand the menu to reveal all items. Some layouts tuck less used sections into a collapsible menu. That's all there is to it. Open Temu, head to your profile, and select followed stores from the left-hand panel to view the full list. Keep this page bookmarked or easy to access. It's the fastest way to jump back into your favorite shops and stay on top of new products and promotions. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.